Greetings and welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into a realm of indispensable tech accessories that keep your reading life powered and uninterrupted. We're about to embark on a thrilling countdown of the top ebook reader power cables available on Amazon, each one a champion in its own right, ready to supercharge your devices and elevate your reading experience. From long cables that offer flexibility to versatile options that cater to both old and new models, we've got the ultimate lineup ready for you. Without further ado, let's jump right into the excitement and see which power cables have earned their spot at the top. Let's dive right into the world of seamless connectivity with our number 3 pick for the best ebook reader power cables. Are you ready to supercharge your reading experience? Let me introduce you to the ultimate game changer, the cable for charging Kindle Paperwhite, Oasis, Amazon Fire Tablet 10, and more. Imagine this, a single cable that powers up your Kindle Paperwhite, Kindle Oasis, Kindle Voyage, and even your Fire HD 10 tablet with lightning speed. It's not just compatible with the newest Kindle models, but also supports your Kindle DX, Kindle Touch, and Kindle Fire Kids edition. That's right, every single Kindle and Fire device in your collection is covered. But that's not all. This marvel of modern technology doesn't just charge your devices, it also facilitates rapid data transfer. Need to shift your favorite ebooks from one device to another? Done and done. The cable's dual functionality means you can handle all your data and charging needs with one slick accessory. Now let's talk about the length. At a generous 6 feet, this cable offers you the freedom to get cozy on your couch or stretch out in bed while you dive into your next digital page turner. And it's not just long, it's built to last. Crafted from durable PVC material, it's designed to withstand the twists and turns of your daily life. With 2 different plugs in one cord, you've got versatility at your fingertips. Whether you're charging up your Kindle Paperwhite or syncing files on your Kindle Fire Kids, this cable is your go-to solution. So if you're looking for a power cable that combines speed, durability, and versatility, look no further. This cable is here to keep your e-readers and Fire tablets juiced up and ready for endless reading adventures. Hold on to your bookmarks, because coming in at number 2 in our countdown of the best ebook reader power cables is an absolute must-have for every Kindle enthusiast out there. Introducing the 6 feet long micro USB power charge cable, your ultimate lifeline to endless reading enjoyment. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. This 6-foot wonder is not just any cable. It's a versatile powerhouse designed specifically for your beloved old-school Amazon Kindles and Fire HD tablets. If you're rocking an old Kindle Paperwhite, an older Oasis, or one of those classic Kindle Kids editions from 2020 or earlier, this cable has got your back. Compatible with Kindle generations from the 1st all the way through the 10th, including the Kindle DX and Kindle keyboard, this cable ensures that your reading devices stay charged and ready for action. It's also perfect for your Fire HD models up to the 2018 8th generation, as well as the 7th and 8th generation Fire tablets. Here's the scoop. This micro USB to Type-A cable works seamlessly with the Amazon 5W USB charger and power adapter, so you can keep your Kindle Paperwhite, Oasis, or Kindle Kids e-readers powered up with ease. It's crafted for those who still cherish the classic Kindle experience and need a reliable, long-lasting cable to match. At 6 feet long, you'll have the freedom to stretch out, curl up, or cozy into your favorite reading nook without being tethered to the wall. Just a quick note, this cable comes solo without the AC wall adapter, but it's ready to connect and charge as soon as you plug it in. So if you're holding on to those trusty older Kindles and Fire HDs, make sure you've got this 6 feet cable in your toolkit. It's designed to keep your devices charged and your reading uninterrupted. Loving our countdown of the best-selling ebook reader power cables on Amazon? If you're charged up about these top picks, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and press the bell icon, so you're always in the loop and never miss a jolt of our latest content. Drumroll, please. As we reach the pinnacle of our countdown, it's time to unveil our top pick for the best ebook reader power cable. Hold on to your e-readers, because the charger cord replacement for Kindle Fire, Paperwhite, Amazon Fire Tablet, and Oasis is here to steal the show. Let's start with the basics. This cable stretches a generous 6 feet long, 180 centimeters of pure, unadulterated charging freedom. No more being tethered to the wall. You can comfortably curl up on your couch or stretch out in bed while your device gets juiced up. But this isn't just any cable. It's a versatile replacement for your original charger, designed to work across a spectrum of devices. Whether you've got the Kindle Fire 7, the Fire HD 8 Plus, the Fire HD 10 tablet, or the Kindle Paperwhite, this cable has you covered. It's also compatible with older models like the Kindle Touch, Keyboard, and DX, as well as the all-new Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. The real magic happens with its dual functionality: USB 2.0 to micro USB and USB to USB-C. That means whether you're charging one of those classic Kindles or the latest Fire tablet, you've got the right connection at your fingertips. With two charging ends, convenience is built right into the design. Not only does it support 2A fast charging, so you're back to your ebooks in no time, but it also allows you to browse your content while your device powers up. No interruptions, just seamless reading and charging. So if you're ready to elevate your Kindle experience with a cable that combines length, versatility, and speed, this is your go-to choice. With the charger cord replacement for Kindle Fire, Paperwhite, and more, you're all set to keep your devices charged and your reading uninterrupted. We hope you loved our countdown of the best-selling ebook reader power cables on Amazon. To keep up with all the top picks, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products we talked about today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.